A country where buying cars, buying houses, and doing business nationwide requires almost no taxes. Universal free healthcare and free education, government allocated housing, and highways free for life. But what is the price? The answer is, you hand over politics completely. Welcome to See South. Voices, 5 views from the South. We are still talking about Brunei. Brunei's stability comes from an extremely clear social contract. First, oil and natural gas. Brunei's natural gas reserves are about 390 billion cubic meters, with oil reserves of 1.4 billion barrels. Per capita oil reserves are more than 3 times those of Saudi Arabia. Oil contributes nearly 70% of GDP. The state is rich, and the royal family is even richer. The Brunei Investment Agency controls the lifeline of the national economy. Second, universal high welfare. Education is free from primary school to university. Healthcare is fully covered, with overseas treatment paid for by the state. Land is distributed for free, and mortgages are close to interest free. Third, religious legitimacy. Brunei implements Malay Islamic monarchy, binding royal authority with faith, school education, mosque preaching, constantly reinforce one idea: obedience to the ruler is part of faith. Questioning the Sultan is equivalent to challenging the religious order. But the question is, when oil one day runs out, how long can this system last? In the final video, we talk about risks and also about choices.